Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Austin Vlogger. In today's video, we're here to assist first-time Formula One fan who are gearing up to experience the thrill of the race in person. Precisely, we'll guide you on navigating your way to the racetrack. The ultra-wealthy elite have harnessed the power of helicopters as their preferred mode of transportation to Formula One races. Their motivation is simple: to reach the racing venue swiftly while effortlessly sidestepping the arduous grind of traffic congestion. As I observed at the helipad, a well-orchestrated helicopter ballet unfolded before me. One chopper ferried a group of affluent race enthusiasts, and the moment it touched down, another descended to transport the next batch of passengers. This indulgent method of transportation may come with a steep price tag, but for those fortunate enough to afford it, the benefits far outweigh the costs. It's not just about luxury, it's about reclaiming precious time that would otherwise be lost in gridlocked traffic. The super rich have calculated that the exhilaration of the Formula One experience begins even before the engines roar to life. The helicopter ride symbolizes their exclusive access and is a practical solution to navigating congested roads. It's a high-speed journey to the heart of the racing action, and for those who can splurge on this elite service, it is a luxury that is unequivocally worth it. The wealthy elite have various ways to secure police escorts during events, as rich as a lineup of Escalades and luxurious Mercedes vehicles. These well-to-do individuals arrive in style. Celebrities in particular have a few preferred methods to ensure their safety and exclusivity during such high-profile events. Alternatively, some affluent celebrities and high-profile figures enlist law enforcement assistance for a personalized police escort. This service adds a layer of security and helps navigate the often congested roads leading to the event location. It is a barrier against enthusiastic fans, preventing them from overwhelming their beloved stars. In addition to police escorts, profiled celebrities often deploy an entourage of dedicated security personnel, ensuring they are always protected. These security teams are meticulously trained to handle various situations, from crowd control to personal protection, further adding to the celebrity's peace of mind. Furthermore, these exclusive guests often possess special passes that grant them access to separate areas, far removed from the throngs of the regular crowd. These exclusive zones provide enhanced viewing opportunities and a certain level of privacy, allowing celebrities to fully enjoy the event without the constant scrutiny of the public eye. In sum, the rich and famous employ strategies including police escorts, security teams, and exclusive access passes to ensure their safety and comfort during high-profile events, making their presence at such occasions an experience of luxury and exclusivity. Most Formula One attendees in Austin opt for the convenience and efficiency of shuttle buses to get to the racetrack. The Circuit of the Americas, where the phony races occur, is strategically located outside the city center, making shuttle services a popular choice. These shuttle buses are not just a mode of transport, they are part of the overall experience. They offer a hassle-free and enjoyable way to reach the circuit, allowing fans to relax, socialize with fellow enthusiasts, and soak in the anticipation of the day's events. These shuttle services are often well organized and equipped with amenities like air conditioning, comfortable seating, and sometimes even on-board entertainment. The buses typically run on a fixed schedule, ensuring that fans arrive in good time for the race, and they are an eco-friendly alternative that contributes to reduced traffic congestion around the track. It's a practical, community-building, and environmentally conscious way for fans to access the thrilling world of Formula One in Austin. At the Formula One events in Austin, Texas, it's a common practice for attendees to opt for alternative transportation methods rather than driving their own cars. This is primarily due to the sheer volume of race enthusiasts that flock to the Circuit of the Americas, which can result in massive traffic congestion and limited parking spaces. Many Formula One fans choose to utilize rideshare services like Uber and Lyft as a convenient and stress-free way to reach the racetrack. The well-organized transportation infrastructure in Austin caters to this need, making it simple to request a ride and enjoy a comfortable journey to and from the event. Moreover, public transit options are also popular, with shuttle services often available for seamless transportation. By leaving the driving to the professionals, racegoers can fully immerse themselves in the thrilling atmosphere of the phone race without the hassle of navigating traffic and parking dilemmas. This trend of relying on alternative transportation methods has become a practical and favored choice for ensuring a smooth and enjoyable Formula One experience in Austin. Austin bustles with activity in October, with the Formula One Grand Prix event following closely on the heels of the Austin City Limits Music Festival, ACOW. This double dose of excitement makes it a thrilling month for Austinites and visitors. But the Lone Star State doesn't stop there. In nearby Dallas, the State Fair of Texas, acclaimed as the largest fair in the United States, also unfolds its grandeur throughout the same month. If you're contemplating a visit to Texas, October is an exceptionally vibrant and eventful time to explore the state's diverse offerings. From the adrenaline-pumping races at the Circuit of the Americas during the F1 Grand Prix to the soul-stirring musical performances at ACL, October in Austin is a month that promises unforgettable experiences. And let's remember the delicious local cuisine and the opportunity to immerse yourself in the unique culture of the Texas capital. A short drive away in Dallas, the State Fair of Texas takes center stage with its gigantic Ferris wheel, deep-fried delicacies, and many attractions. It's an unparalleled showcase of Texan culture, featuring rodeos, live music, and intriguing exhibitions. For travelers near and far, October is the perfect time to savor the flavors and festivities that define the great state of Texas. So, if you've ever considered a visit, mark this vibrant month on your calendar. We hope you seize the chance to partake in these exceptional events. Your Texas adventure awaits. Thank you for joining us today on Austin Vlogger as we explored the exciting journey to the Formula One racetrack in Austin, Texas. We hope you found this video informative and that it eases your path to the Fawn Race Day. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can see our latest content. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or tips in the comments below. We love hearing from you and fostering a community of motorsports enthusiasts. As always, stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, enjoy the race, stay safe, and have an incredible time at the Formula One racetrack. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.